Alright, welcome to Dubai day 5. We are here in the Marina District. Going to check some stuff out this morning. We're gonna do a speedboat tour on the marina, so it should be a lot of fun. We got 5 of us going, so it should be a blast. We're gonna zip around, and it should be good. And then we're gonna hit up a desert safari later today, so stick around for that. If you want to see some of the other videos that we did, go check that out. We've done a lot of stuff at the expo. We've also seen the Burj Khalifa during the day and at night, so check out some of those videos if you want to see that. We're gonna get to a speedboat tour.
Okay guys, in your right side you can see Jumeirah Beach and Residence. They call it JBR.
Did our splash tours. Speedboats! Yeah. Good time. We're in the water now. We'll catch you in the desert. Welcome to the Arabian desert. They drove us about an hour out of town and then onto these dirt roads. We went off-roading in these 4Runners. They took us to come sandboarding. We're at this beautiful location, beautiful desert views, ton of sand in my shoes, a lot of fun. They won't let us stand. They've seen too many injuries. They don't want to be liable. Now off to the rest of the evening. Yo, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Big Dog. I'll throw it in there. You think I'm kidding? I'll throw it in there.
Oh yeah, right there.
Oh yeah. Dubai, baby.
Fanny pack. Hey.
Picture didn't happen, bro.
I'm on a camel! This camel is such a vibe. I could so wander the desert with this.
Come, don't be scared. Come closer.
I'm not scared.
Come, sit down. Sit on your knees. Sit on your knees and take some photo. Sit on your knees.
Back.
And then we made it out to dinner at this little pavilion that they have made, this awesome little sanctuary from the desert. You come into, they greet you with these warm towels and coffee, and they invite you into this inner sanctum where they have prepared this beautiful dining area with a little stage for you, and they prepare this dinner. It was amazing. It was my favorite meal that I have had here in the United Arab Emirates. It was so good. It was authentic, barbecued, fresh for us. Moved outside now to the car area. They're gonna take us back through the desert nighttime sands. So that's it for today. So hope you enjoyed the boat ride. Hope you enjoyed the desert safari. Absolutely must do thing here in Dubai. I'll put a link in the description down below for this company. Our driver Khalid was amazing. Definitely recommend all that they do. It was an amazing opportunity. And as always, go create the world. Welcome to Dubai, day 5. Is it 5?